Hello, I am Shannon Ballman Theis, the payroll queen, and today I am going to go over the process of how to turn payroll liabilities on inside of QuickBooks Desktop because there's some new taxes, and specifically the tax that I am going to be turning on is for the Minnesota paid family leave, but the process is the same no matter if you need federal to have all the federal liabilities show up on the pay liability screen or the state. It's the same no matter what. So I'm going to start off by sharing my screen. Okay, so we're on the pay liability screen. We've logged into a company file. We've navigated to the right spot. The next place we want to go is we want to click on payroll setup right here. And it's thinking because it always takes a long time to think. All right, you go to taxes and hit continue and click. If you want to change the federal, you click on federal items and then pick one and click schedule payments, but these are already turned on to and correct. But if you need to change withholding amount, so like this one's set to semi-weekly, let's say they reduce their employee count and they can go to monthly, you can change that there. And I'm going to click on state because I need to turn on the Minnesota paid leave. And I'm just going to click on one. It doesn't matter because it's going to bring all of them up here. So for this one doesn't have this client, pretend client that I am setting this up in. They have unemployment. So I'm not going to pick either one of those. I am going to pick this, and it wants a number. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 dash 1, 2, 3, 4. And the payments frequency is quarterly. And so instead of it just being able to pick quarterly and it just automatically sets it, I don't know why this one in particular makes you pick the day of the month to pay the previous quarter's liability. It's going to be the last day of the month. So I picked the 31st. And then we say, okay. And now if I go into this section again, I clicked OK prematurely. I needed to pick it for both of these. Some taxes, you just pick it for one and it picks all of them. This one, it is making us set each one up separately. And then we close out of this. We leave the setup. We wait for it to process. And now the paid leave is showing up here as a liability that we can then click and pay. And even though I picked the 31st, it does show, it does know that there is no 31 days in April. So it is picking the right ones. So I hope you found this helpful. Let me know in the comments if you still have any questions about what I went over, and if you need help doing anything else in QuickBooks Desktop. Until then, I am Shannon Ballman Theis, and thank you for watching.